In this video I'm gonna show you how to enable vibrating when ringing on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So by default, if you have ring mode enabled, then if you have the ringtone on, it'll ring but won't vibrate, and will only vibrate on vibrate mode, so when the ringtone is muted. So you can go to the settings and set it so it will vibrate and ring at the same time, and to do it, go to the sounds and vibration, then just go to the I believe vibrate while ringing here, and now it'll vibrate while ringing. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.